Britney Spears' fiancé Sam Asghari pulled out all the stops for her 40th birthday by putting on an amazing fireworks show. The Overprotected singer recently regained her freedom after being under a conservatorship for 13 years. She has been busy celebrating her independence and, when her birthday arrived, her fiancé wanted to gift her something to remember. In a number of clips shared on his Instagram stories, the model gave followers a glimpse of how the two celebrated her special day. It started off with Sam singing her happy birthday as he brought out a cake shaped like a letter B decorated with roses and macaron. The two were sat on a private plane as they headed off to her birthday destination. Another clip showed the two posing by the entrance of the plane as she wrapped her arms around his neck and he cheekily grabbed onto her bum. As night fell, the two enjoyed a romantic moment enjoying a private fireworks show. He captioned the clip with a simple "Happy Birthday." On his Instagram page, he also shared snaps from when they posed by the entrance of the plane. "I call you lioness because I admire your relentless strength. I'm inspired by your beautiful heart. I celebrate your smile that lights up my world," he captioned the sweet post. "Every day is your birthday, my queen. Happy first birthday to my wife #2nd at Britney Spears." Britney also took to Instagram to share her joy at being able to leave the country. "Oh, the precious joy today. Me and my fiancé are so excited to be going away," she wrote. "God, thank you for being able to go out of the country. I am blessed." The star is finally moved forward with her life after a California judge formally terminated her 13-year-long conservatorship earlier last month. That setup meant dad Jamie Spears and a team of lawyers oversaw her personal and financial affairs, leaving Britney unable to make decisions for herself. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. In heartbreaking testimonies earlier this year, Britney explained the level she was controlled by her conservators and spoke of what she planned to do when she was eventually freed, including driving alone and going on holiday. Court documents recently appeared to show that her father Jamie was happy for the conservatorship to end as he was tired of fighting with his daughter. Since the end of the conservatorship, Britney has taken to Instagram to update fans with how she has been celebrating, and it includes enjoying her first glass of champagne. She has also finally been put on the right medication and even put up her Christmas tree early in November.